Menteri rang ba ka Sorkar jela ukonrat ke sama. Ula pli pa iba ya ka jaka aji Hikai king Lieng lane ban klan na siliang jong kawa. Ya ka berarti pak tin we kum ka rafting lane kayaking ha ka we ni kimenta jong kawa tro. Ya ka berarti kum ka Slong White Water Village. Ka bodon ha ka snong tham Riboy district. Ya ka tege jaka aji Hikai king Lieng lane ban klan na siliang jong kawa. La pli menta ka singi thoding ka new trik unai tung araja apulai. Nalor menteri rang ba jong Sorkar jela ladon digiwe pat ki kenram kilendan bansak hilang ibakan thop ya kong Isa Wanda lalu Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs jong jela ka kong Magdalene S Maulong MDC ka Umsling u Arpit Apadhaya Deputy Commissioner jong Riboy District u Giri Prasad Superintendent of Police ka Riboy District ba Bobby Elm Longbert ulong District Sports Officer ka Riboy District Yan Vincent Batshila Vincent kibolong kitrai jaka bapelong ro ikatege kop King Lieng lane ka kayak festival hak tin nongway. Menteri rang ba hakatege jingalang ban pli katege jaka King Lieng ulah Kular bana kaliang ka Sorkar jela kanang ajing Kyrshan susu sya katege rafting cooperative and tourism society ka penia ya katege jaka King Lieng ban bakanang la ban kiu sakmat na banta ban agi ji Hikai hapo jong jela kumjuru ka Meghalaya tourism kal ai subha ha kate ga ju kasngi ya life hotly ga life jacket sha kate ga society.
We are here to launch the kayaking program from the government side, and as you can see behind me here we have a very natural flow of the river, which is something that is very unique and one of a kind, in fact, in the entire country and maybe one of the few in the whole world. Hence the potential to really promote this in terms of sports and also in terms of tourism is really, really high, and this of course has been initiated by many individuals in the past many years. But there has not been any support from the government in the past many years. But recently, the government has started to recognize the work that they have done, and we are now really supporting them financially to ensure that we can take this to the new level, where not just it becomes a sports for adventure sports, but it also is a sports that has got a potential for us to get medals in the national as well as at the international level. And apart from that also, this could be an area of very high-end tourism where people could actually experience the flow of the river and really experience the rafting and the kayaking that is possible in these kind of streams. So that's really what we are here for, and I really thank all the people who have taken the initiative, and I wish this program great success.
Association kalala ban prop shakani ka kabenta batlayo ban don shakani ka Meghalaya rafting menta kasni ban isoko baka don shisha ka potential hapdeng dikna samna bat dikna jong kani ka than hakani ka jaka ban tu bit shushu ilage hakani ka sport namar ban isoko baka ni ka wa ni ko tham kadai ka way na kijaka hakari badangan lo hakatay baro ko way ka balong naturally blessed ya kanika sports canoeing kayaking pati ka slalom kaya nakatakadaw kumlong nila ban kring shushu like sports persons ban one ban nila kay hangi kumlong nila shushu ban kumlong ya ka way niki landmark sites pati blue kin one ban petay kala ban min ono ban ay kilat kamay injak ko ikibril kala ban shushu ikna kijongi badu iway naki ni kirmen pati yo ban job ya ki medal haki Kyrshan ki bakher kumjo haka Olympics.
This is a project of the Riboy Water Sports and Tourism Society Limited, recently formed, and the Meghalaya Canoe Association is also functioning from this site. Now I want to just give a talk for a couple of minutes. I'll give some background on what we're doing here about whitewater sports in Meghalaya. So the first person in Meghalaya to introduce whitewater sports was Mr. Zoba Lalu. I don't know, where is Zoba? There he is. Sorkar is the pioneer of whitewater sports in Meghalaya, and we came through our contacts with him, and we came here in 2015 to this site, and we started training the local youth in kayaking. Well, we've done that as a family venture, not with any support or anything, just as a family. We provided kayaks and equipment and gear and training for free to any local boys and girls who wanted to do it. And we formed this water sports cooperative society in February 2022. And this April, the Canoe Association was formed. So everything is just in infant stages right now. So for the first 7 years, this project was our family project, but then the society was formed, and now it's a community project. It's handed over to the community.